Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right, today we've got some new springs for the Stag. So without any further ado, let's put them on. So guys, this is a very simple job. Very easy to do. All you need to do is undo the shocker, lower the arm, and the spring just jumps out. Needs to go on there for the upper. I'm gonna put some poly bushes in. Super Pro. So this comes out very easily, guys. I'm just cleaning all the debris that I found in the bottom of here. Polyurethane bush fits on this. Nice and clean. See there, that's where all the water will run out. Just make sure it's all nice and clean. Okay, there's with the new spring in. The polyurethane bush on the top and a polyurethane bush on the bottom. Now all I'm going to do now is just jack this back up so that goes in there. All you do is jack it up. So we had the wrong spring in this side. This is a very simple job, guys. There's the new spring in there. So the only thing you really need to undo is this, the shock absorber. Okay. And then we're in. Just going to nip this up. I'm just going to line that up. This literally takes 10 minutes. And then we're in. Tighten the shocker up now. Again, don't up-tighten it. Use this second nut to lock this bottom nut up. And that's it. That's one side done. The old one has perished. So yeah, that's why the car is, I would say, an inch lower on this side. So there's the reason why my driver's side was lower than the passenger side. Obviously I've just taken the old one out, and there's the size what should be going in. Also, there you go, guys, there's the spring in with the polyurethane bush. It's a half-an-hour job tops. Dead easy to do. There you go, and them bushes look alright on this as well. Next job, I'll get some of those new CV gaiters there. Right, just put the wheel back on.